Got out of bed today, first time in days, but I'm doing fine. Shop on my credit card, oh don't you start, I do it all the time. Think I should get a hobby, but I can't seem to find a single thing I like. Need to be reassured, I'm insecure, I always see red. My boyfriend gets annoyed, so paranoid, it's all in my head. I wanna find some peace, but I'm always thinking of that weird thing I said.